Good morning, family. How y'all doing? We had a lot of rain in Memphis, but we still got up in our holy roly. And my husband getting some breakfast cooked. A lot of people was asking me, did we have flood? No. I'm in East Memphis. That was in Little Rock area. It wasn't here. But we still praying for all the people that was in the Mississippi tornado. They lost a lot of lives and stuff. And in Little Rock, they're still looking for people. But we doing well. Thank y'all for asking. I think Dion and all of them texting me, asking me how I was doing from Louisiana. Thank you, girls. We doing okay. We making out. We have big enough space until we get back home. But anyway, my husband is up in here doing some mushrooms, some ham. He is also doing some maple sausages and his famous eggs. So we getting it together this morning. And after that, we're going to do our exercise tonight. And I got to do some more YouTube stuff and start getting it back rolling like I was doing before. Pick up a few groceries, but he got it laid out. He getting it together. They had everything we need. Got our coffee. And over here, they do have a breakfast every morning, which we go sometime, but sometime we don't go. But it's pretty nice. We're very comfortable. I'm going to do a lot of more cooking once I get back home. My channel will have a lot of Louisiana Cajun cooking. Hopefully y'all come and join me and subscribe. It is free to subscribe and support. You follow me, I follow you. Let's support each other. If you have any products, send me a link. And let's get it on and popping, you guys. So thank y'all for all the subscribers and the views and the likes on my new YouTube channel, Brenda Teal 911, Instagram BTeal 912, and on my channel with my grandkids, I do a couple of vacations on BTeal 911. Come on out and support us, and let's make this all work. Y'all have a blessed day. Eat well, walk, and think positive, and do a wellness check and check on your family. Check on your mom, dad, sisters, brothers. Let's check on our family more. Love you guys. Subscribe. Brenda Teal 911. Thank you.